I have two microcontroller boards, but the important thing I'm doing is the runtime verification testing, the speed at which the LEDs are blinking. But the problem was the code was too large for me to run the runtime verification testing on the board and also print out the output. But there are multiple ways you can go about it. One is getting an oscilloscope, a logic analyzer to basically just say, okay, this is the speed at which the signal is like vibrating. But the second way is to connect it to another microcontroller and basically use that microcontroller to measure the value that is being outputted from the pin. And the third way is basically to use like a specified device to like measure this particular value. Let me not act like I know what I'm doing. The Arduino, basically once you upload the code, you have to like plug it in so that this code is running. But with this board, once you upload the code to like its ROM memory, you don't need to plug it into the laptop in order for it to run. This is just connected to the power source that is connected to the wall. So I basically just connected it. So I'm going to show you my Arduino code and I'm going to show you the output on the Arduino board, and this particular output is just the seconds at which the LED is particularly blinking. So you're kind of upside down, but hopefully you see. This is like the serial monitor. It's reading the time step for the LED to blink on and off, and it's like in nanoseconds. So this is the particular value that we need for the analysis to basically say, okay, when the board is running with just to blink the LED, this is the speed. When it's running with a pressure sensor, when it's running with like a light sensor, this is the speed. And then probably try to like improve the speed in order to make sure that, okay, if there are things we can do to improve the speed, we will do it. But if they are not, this is basically like a skeleton of like the project we have to do. So we are going to check, okay, the speed. We are also going to try and improve the speed. We can measure the speed or the runtime of the board when it's running like a code. So we are going to increase the complexity of the code we are running and then check the runtime and see, okay, but this is like one of the steps. And then tomorrow I'm going to get like an oscilloscope and I'm going to connect it to an oscilloscope, and then I'm going to check the values again because we are still waiting on the components. So writing a code that basically simulates the main project we are going to do using just like, okay, this is like the variable we've gotten and we're going to like write the code and everything. I was actively thinking because I was trying to Google, trying to get stuff. They were basically like, oh, run the Propeller code first, then run the Arduino code. But like it kept on, it was messing up my mojo. Thank you.